Making sure that your Samsung phone cannot be switched off without asking for a password when the screen is locked is very important. I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. This is a Samsung phone running One UI version 8.0 based on Android 16. And you want a situation where when the screen is locked this way and someone presses and holds the power button and the power off or restart options come up, it asks for your PIN before the phone can be turned off. This is a good security measure in case your phone is snatched from you and you have the Find My Device or similar service active. You want to be able to find your device if it's not with you. Once someone is able to turn it off, of course, game over. So to prevent that from happening, here is what you need to do. Go to the phone settings, scroll down to lock screen and AOD, screen lock and biometrics, set your fingerprint, password, whatever you prefer, face recognition. Then come back to secure lock settings. Again, it's going to ask for your PIN to get in there. And set this lock instantly with the side key, and you should use this all the time. Immediately you're putting your phone down, tap the side key to switch off the screen. Then come down to lock network and security. Prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. Find My Mobile uses this connection to locate and control your phone when it's lost. And once you've turned this on, this particular one, it's also the same feature that prevents your phone from being turned off when the screen is locked. Lock screen, and then it produces this. It's as simple as that. I do not know how many other Samsung models have this feature, this security feature built into it, but this is the Galaxy A36. It's safe to assume that every model above the A36, that's the A56, S25, S26, the Z Flips, etc., all have this feature built in. Below the A36, maybe the A26 will have it. As you go down the ladder, there's a chance that this feature may not be available on your Samsung device. This is from experience. I have found out that some features that are available on the upper mid-range Samsung phones are not necessarily available on all the lower mid-range and entry-level models. So check your device and let me know if this tip works for it. Thanks for watching. Do like the video. Do follow my channel. I'll see you next time.